Tired of typing your phone number and password? Discover the lightning-fast way to log into Telegram using a QR code for ultimate convenience. First, you'll need to initiate the login process on the device where you want to access Telegram on your desktop or the web version of Telegram. Navigate to the Telegram login page. Look for the Login with QR code option and tap it. This will reveal a unique QR code on your screen. Now, grab your mobile device, open the Telegram app if you're already logged in on your mobile. You'll need to go to Settings, then Devices, and tap Scan QR code. Point your mobile device's camera towards the QR code displayed on the other screen. Your Telegram app will automatically scan and recognize it. And just like that, you're logged into your Telegram account. This QR code method is super handy for quickly accessing your chats on different devices without any hassle. Streamline your login experience and enjoy seamless access to your Telegram messages. Try it next time you log in.